This video explains how to upload data created in Visual Studio Code to GitHub. If you want to upload to GitHub but keep encountering repeated errors, this should help you resolve such problems. Step 1. Create a repository GitHub. First, create a repository on GitHub. Click New, then enter the repository name and other details on the Create a New Repository page. Step 2. Clone the repository created on GitHub to your local environment. Follow the steps below. Open Visual Studio Code. Open the terminal. Navigate to the folder where you want to clone the repository. In the terminal, run the cd command to move to your working directory. The data from GitHub will be cloned into this location. Note that the current path is displayed in the terminal prompt, but if you are already in that directory, you can skip this step. Run the clone command. Clone the repository you created on GitHub. Run the following command. This operation downloads the repository to the specified local directory as a folder named test. Step 3. Open the folder in VS Code. Open the test folder in VS Code. Step 4. Place the files. In Visual Studio Code's Explorer, upload files such as main.py in the data folder. Through these steps, you have now set up the test folder in Visual Studio Code, where you can create and modify files and folders from here on. Create a virtual environment. You will run the following commands in the terminal, in order. Pip install our requirements.txt is a command that installs all the libraries listed in the requirements.txt file at once. For example, if Streamlit is listed in this file, it will be automatically installed. This allows you to successfully deploy your app to platforms such as Streamlit Cloud. Step 5. Setup. Git ignore. Before uploading to GitHub, list any unnecessary data in the git ignore file. Step 6. Commit changes to Git and push to GitHub. Run the following commands to upload your project files to GitHub. This completes the process of uploading your data to GitHub. Thank you for watching until the end.